sklearn, utils, xtmart, fastlogd. Description: the fastlogd function in scikit-learn's xtmart module is designed to efficiently calculate the log determinant of a square matrix, particularly for large matrices. It utilizes a combination of Kolsky decomposition and a stable log sum express technique to achieve accuracy and computational efficiency. Inputs: a square numpy array representing the matrix for which the log determinant is to be calculated. Outputs: logd, a scalar value representing the natural logarithm of the determinant of the input matrix A. Steps: Kolsky decomposition. The function first attempts to decompose the input matrix A into its Kolsky factorization, resulting in a lower triangular matrix L such that ALLT. This decomposition is particularly efficient for positive definite matrices, which are common in many applications. Log sum express. Once the Kolsky decomposition is obtained, the function calculates the logarithm of the diagonal elements of L. The log sum express technique is then applied to these logarithms, ensuring numerical stability, especially when dealing with very large or small values. Metrics: computational efficiency. The fastlogd function is designed to be computationally efficient, particularly for large matrices. It utilizes optimized algorithms for Kolsky decomposition and log sum express, minimizing the number of operations required. Numerical stability. The log sum express technique employed in the algorithm ensures that the calculation of the log determinant is numerically stable, mitigating issues that can arise from very small or large values in the matrix. Visualization plots: heat map of log determinant values. A heat map visualization can be created to display the log determinant values for different input matrices, allowing for the observation of patterns and trends in the results. Fine-tune parameters. None. The fastlogd function does not have any tunable parameters. Uncertainty methods. None. The fastlogd function does not provide any uncertainty estimates or confidence intervals. Challenges and fixes. Non-positive definite matrices. Sample use case: when the input matrix A is not positive definite, e.g., it has negative eigenvalues or is singular, the Kolsky decomposition may fail. Fixes: SVD decomposition. If Kolsky decomposition fails, alternative decompositions such as singular value decomposition (SVD) can be used to calculate the determinant. However, these alternatives might be less efficient. Regularization: adding a small positive value to the diagonal of the matrix can sometimes make it positive definite, allowing Kolsky decomposition to succeed. Numerical instability. Sample use case: in cases where the input matrix contains very large or small values, the computation of the log determinant might suffer from numerical instability, leading to inaccurate results. Fixes: log sum express technique. The fastlogd function incorporates the log sum express technique to address numerical instability. This technique involves combining logarithms in a way that mitigates the effects of large or small values. Scaling the input matrix. Dividing by a large constant can help to reduce the magnitude of elements, improving numerical stability.